Part A. Find the quantity x plus 8 times the quantity x plus 2. Use the distributive property. Distribute the quantity x plus 2 to each term of the quantity x plus 8. Multiply x plus 2 by x and x plus 2 by 8 to get x times the quantity x plus 2 plus 8 times the quantity x plus 2. Next, use the distributive property a second time. Multiply x times x and x times 2, and multiply 8 times x and 8 times 2 to get x times x plus x times 2 plus 8 times x plus 8 times 2, which simplifies to x squared plus 2x plus 8x plus 16, or x squared plus 10x plus 16. So the product is x squared plus 10x plus 16. Part B. Find the quantity x minus 5 times the quantity x plus 1. First align the like terms vertically. Multiply 1 times the quantity x minus 5 to get x minus 5. Then multiply x times the quantity x minus 5 to get x squared minus 5x. Next, add the like terms to get x squared minus 4x minus 5. So the product is x squared minus 4x minus 5. Find the quantity 2x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3. First write each binomial as a sum of terms. Notice that the quantity 2x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3 can be rewritten as the quantity 2x plus 3 times the quantity x plus negative 3. Next, make a table. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 3 times x is 3x. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. And 2x times x is 2x squared. So the product is 2x squared plus 3x minus 6x minus 9, or 2x squared minus 3x minus 9. Find each product. Part A. The quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 7. Use the FOIL method. Multiplying the first terms gives x times x. Multiplying the outer terms gives x times negative 7. Multiplying the inner terms gives 3 times x. And multiplying the last terms gives 3 times negative 7. So the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 7 equals x times x plus x times negative 7 plus 3 times x plus 3 times negative 7, which simplifies to x squared plus negative 7x plus 3x plus negative 21, or x squared minus 4x minus 21. So the product is x squared minus 4x minus 21. Part B. The quantity 2x minus 1 times the quantity 5x minus 4. Use the FOIL method. Multiplying the first terms gives 2x times 5x. Multiplying the outer terms gives 2x times negative 4. Multiplying the inner terms gives negative 1 times 5x. and multiplying the last terms gives -1 times -4. So the quantity 2x minus 1 times the quantity 5x minus 4 equals 2x times 5x plus 2x times -4 plus -1 times 5x plus -1 times -4, which simplifies to 10x squared plus -8x plus -5x plus 4, or 10x squared minus 13x plus 4. So the product is 10x squared minus 13x plus 4. Find the quantity x minus 3 times the quantity x squared minus 4x minus 4. First align the like terms vertically. Next multiply -3 times the quantity x squared minus 4x minus 4 using the distributive property. -3 times x squared equals -3x squared. -3 times -4x equals positive 12x. And -3 times -4 is positive 12. Next multiply x times the quantity x squared minus 4x minus 4. X times x squared equals x cubed. X times -4x equals -4x squared. And x times -4 equals -4x. Then combine the like terms. 0 plus x cubed equals x cubed. -3x squared plus -4x squared equals -7x squared. 12x plus -4x equals 8x. And 12 plus 0 equals 12. So the product is x cubed minus 7x squared plus 8x plus 12. The purple piece of stained glass has a trapezoidal shape. Part A. Write a polynomial that represents the area of the piece of glass. The area of a trapezoid is given by 1/2 h times the quantity b1 plus b2, where h is the height, b1 is a base, and b2 is the other base. Notice that the piece of glass has a height of x minus 1 inches. The longer base is 3x minus 6 inches, and the shorter base is x inches. Substituting x minus 1 for h, x for b1, and 3x minus 6 for b2 gives 1/2 times the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity x plus 3x minus 6, which simplifies to 1/2 times the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity 4x minus 6. Next multiply the binomials using the FOIL method to get 1/2 times the quantity 4x squared minus 6x minus 4x plus 6, which simplifies to 1/2 times the quantity 4x squared minus 10x plus 6. Then use the distributive property to get 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. So a polynomial that represents the area of the piece of glass is 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Part B. Find the area of the piece of glass when the shorter base is 7 inches. When the shorter base is 7 inches, x equals 7. So find the value of 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 when x equals 7. Substituting 7 for x gives 2 times 7 squared minus 5 times 7 plus 3, which simplifies to 98 minus 35 plus 3, or 66. So the area of the piece of glass is 66 square inches.